How to enable spoken traffic alerts on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's use the navigation button at the left side of the screen. And then let's choose here the settings at the top. And from the settings, all you need to do is select here the voice guidance. So as you can see here, you can use the traffic announcement. So when this toggle is active, the system will use voice synthetics to proactively interrupt your active audio feed or music playback to announce unexpected local road delays, accidents, or constructions roadblocks occurring along your planned route, helping you, of course, stay informed about the hazard ahead. So I think it's quite useful. Of course, if you find this destroying and if you found it not useful, you can disable it, but you can turn it on just by using this switcher. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.